First thing that I was, it was literally trying to kill us. Exhaust leak.
I had a raging headache, and I was just like, oh, God, I just want to.
I was asleep.
I think Ben got full experience.
Oh, yeah.
Well, he wakes up and he's like, dude, I just was sleeping in like deep dreams. Like I was dreaming.
I was, dude. Dude, no wonder, dude, you were literally put to sleep.
When we put the Megazilla in, we put in all new headers and stuff, had them custom built to fit in this package. It's not very easy. And for some reason, thing is leaking like a lot, like crazy amounts. Enough that it was affecting our tune and a lot of other things, heat, all kinds of issues. And it was trying to literally kill myself, Ben, and Mike Kim, or Will, whoever was in the backseat.